Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to import video clips into the timeline in Adobe Premiere so you can start creating your own amazing videos. Let's begin by opening up Adobe Premiere. So once it's open, go to the file and then click new and choose project. So you need to name your project here and choose a location to save it. Let's choose a location now. And then click on select folder. So once you're done choosing your project location, all you have to do now is to click create. And then for you to import your video clips, you just have to go here on the project panel and right click and select import. You will then now locate your video clip So for example, let's choose this one. And for you to add it to the timeline, all you have to do is to click and then drag the video into the timeline panel. And that's it! You now know how to import video clips into the timeline in Adobe Premiere. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching this tutorial on how to import video clips into the timeline in Adobe Premiere. See you on my next video.